What is up, guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing a KEF subwoofer. This is a 12-inch front firing sub. In particular, we're looking at the KUBE 12B. This particular product is just one of the subwoofers in KEF's lineup. We are an authorized reseller of all of their products, as well as many other home theater products. If you are interested in buying anything for your home theater, make sure you give us a call or shoot us an email prior to purchase. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. Now let's go ahead and dig into this guy. This is an unboxing video showing you guys exactly what this product looks like in real life. Now, if you're interested as to what's going on in this room here, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we do post installation videos of the complete media room installed. And it also has a lot of other helpful information to help you make a buying decision. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So, first thing you're going to see whenever you open it up, right here, is a power cord. Looks like they also have a little plug-in if you're running the speaker in line. I'm guessing that's what this is for. If you're going to be running the subwoofer in line with, say, like some fronts to give yourself some more treble or bass. You got a little user manual, quick start guide here, and that's it for the accessories. Now we'll look at the product itself. Alright. This is the box. I'm going to go ahead and throw this to the side. Now, like with all of KEF's products, they manufacture really well-built, good-looking equipment. This is a manufacturer out of the UK. And we're actually going to have the pleasure of visiting their manufacturing facilities this summer. So, yes, I was correct. That little pin is actually for speaker input. Right here. So it plugs into the back. What I'm going to do, we're not going to be utilizing it that way. As part of a home theater system, we're going to be using the LFE input. But I am going to plug that in just so that it doesn't get lost. Alright, so 12-inch front firing subwoofer is right here. So I'm going to give you guys an up-close shot of the subwoofer. It's one of my favorite brands. I think they manufacture a really good quality product at a reasonable price point too. This is the back, and you can see they have the Smart Connect left and right, or LFE. They have their phase 0 to 180. Also have the speaker input that I was talking about earlier, as well as how you're using the subwoofer, a little EQ dip switch, volume and crossover, and then an expansion port, power, and your AC in. You can see there's the model right there, the KUBE 12. Bottom of the unit, nothing too fancy there. The whole cabinet is actually wrapped in like a mesh, acoustic mesh. And then it has a nice gloss finish here on top. Well, that concludes the unboxing of the KEF KUBE 12B 12-inch front firing subwoofer. If you guys would like to purchase this product and you live in the US, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. So make sure before you pull the trigger, you give us a call or shoot us an email. This product is just one of the many subwoofers we have to choose from. If you guys are buying anything for your home theater, we are your one-stop shop. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.